Hey friends, today we visited a street dog suffering from intense skin allergies and infections. His body was covered in scabs and his face was swollen and wounded, truly a heartbreaking sight. He was just sitting there quietly as if life had beaten him down, but when I looked into his eyes, I could see it a silent plea, a longing for someone to care just once. I quickly pulled out a packet of milk, poured it gently into a bowl, and then took a piece of bread, tearing it into small bits and adding them to the milk. I wanted the bread to soften so it would be easier for him to eat. As I prepared the meal, I kept glancing at him. His fragile body, the condition of his face, it was as if he had been suffering in silence for a long time. As I got a little closer, I noticed ticks crawling in his ear. They were deep inside, stuck to his skin. It was painful even to look at. Carefully, I reached out and removed a few of them. He flinched slightly at first but then calmed down as if he realized I was not there to harm him. I could feel his silent trust slowly starting to form. I placed the bowl in front of him and stepped back, giving him space. After a moment of hesitation, he slowly leaned forward and began to drink the milk. Every sip he took was careful, almost fearful, like he was not used to kindness. I stood there silently watching him, feeling his pain and broken spirit through every small movement. At one point, I tried to gently stroke his head, a soft gesture of comfort, but he suddenly looked up at me, eyes sharp and filled with a kind of warning. It was clear he did not want to be touched. Maybe life had taught him not to trust hands, so I respected his boundary. I backed off and simply watched him from a distance. He continued drinking, lifting his head occasionally to glance at me, then going back to the milk. There was something about his gaze now. It was not as fearful as before. Maybe he felt a bit of safety, a bit of peace, and that was enough for me. This video is not just about feeding a hungry dog, it's about understanding his pain, respecting his space, and offering compassion without expecting anything in return. These voiceless creatures feel everything, and sometimes their silence speaks the loudest. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you.